Hi, McKenna. How you doing? So I'm taking a look at your presentation here. And one of the things I think I would recommend you don't do is use images in the background of your presentation, because basically what you're trying to do is you're trying to establish meaning using typography alone. So by adding images, you're actually adding a meaning, but based on the meaning, encoded meaning in the image itself. And I think that we don't want to do that. Specifically over here, we have this big rose in your right next to your typeface, which is kind of trying to add meaning to your typeface. It is adding meaning to your typeface, where I don't think it should be. I think the typeface itself should be displayed in a way that we can look at the typeface, look at the letter forms, and establish our own meaning based on the information you've given us, based on the shapes, sizes, and the design elements and the inherent qualities of the typefaces themselves. Okay, so that said, I think again over here, adding this kind of this Twilight Zone kind of dream state meaning to the Dipane typeface, and I don't think we need that. The one thing also I think is I'm a little bit confused about the presentation itself is that you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages, but I'm not seeing either of the two 18 by 24 final posters. One should be a 18 by 24 promotional, and the other should be a 18 by 24 display. I'm guessing this is the display poster. I'm guessing this is the promotional poster, which they're good. They look great. I think this is a promotional poster would look fantastic without the image. I would definitely strip the image out of there and just create meaning using typography. I think over here you've done something, you just kind of repeated the same thing here. So in the display typeface, I think it could have been a little bit more interesting in the way that you establish your visual relationships between your letter forms, as opposed to just taking a portion of this and repeating it at a smaller size over here. So other than that, I'm going to tell you, I think this typeface is absolutely gorgeous. I really do. It's got such a great feel to it. I just love it. I think you've really done a fantastic job. And I know that you had asked about the possibility of looking at creating a typeface out of this, and it's easily done. All you have to do is purchase type creation software, and then you can start marketing your work. It's not as easy as it sounds, though, because it's quite time consuming. But as we see, plenty of people do it because there are so many typefaces out there. And I think this one is definitely falls in a unique niche that could definitely be used as a display typeface in several different scenarios. So fantastic job. Thanks so much for sharing.